the Machado Environmental Corporation and Air Duct Cleaning Company. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning restoration, or duct cleaning. There are many ways to clean a HVAC system. Some methods take longer than others. The first step is to look at the system. From these observations, a scope of work and, more importantly, the method is defined. For instance, ductwork can be hand vacuumed, rotary brushed, hand wiped, and more unusually, compress air whipped and dry ice blasted. Access to the ductwork can be from small access holes, large access panels, the air vents, and disconnecting the ductwork. Depending on the situation, ductwork insulation can be vacuumed and covered with Reflectix, vacuumed and encapsulated with a coating, vacuumed only, stripped and replaced with Reflectix, stripped, replaced with fiberglass insulation, and Reflectix. For the same ductwork, the method employed could be different depending on the type of building. For instance, the building could be a hospital, product manufacturing, a computer clean room, or an office building. Each method takes a different amount of time and thus is a different cost. Ideally, you would want the fastest method suitable for the building's use while obtaining the maximum energy savings, longevity of system, and occupant comfort. Looking at the system thoroughly resolves the problem of unwanted surprises like change orders or substandard cleaning. Since 1983, Machado has strived to provide superior value for money for its customers. By knowing our business and being highly practiced, we strive to provide the most cost-effective and hassle-free way to restore your HVAC system. Once you get your detailed proposal from us, make sure you discuss the various options with your account manager. Depending on the system and location, HVAC restoration can pay for itself, further reduce running costs, make the system last longer, and improve indoor air quality and hygiene. Thank you for watching this presentation.